Hello everyone. In this video, I will show you how to reset the GameSir G7 SE controller. First, let's start with a software reset using the GameSir Nexus app. This method restores the controller to its factory settings through the official software. Connect your GameSir G7 SE controller to your Xbox or PC using the USB cable. Once the controller is connected, open the GameSir Nexus app on your device. After opening the GameSir Nexus app, wait for the controller to be recognized. When the controller appears in the app, look for the option that says Restore Factory Defaults. Select this option and confirm the reset when prompted. The app will reset all controller settings back to their original factory configuration. If you only want to reset custom button mappings, you can use a quick button combination on the controller itself. Hold the M button and the Y button at the same time. Keep holding both buttons for a few seconds. This will reset the current profile and restore the default button layout. If the controller will not turn on or is not detected by your system, you can try a hardware reset. Turn the controller over and locate the small reset hole on the back of the controller near the label. Take a thin tool, such as a paperclip, and gently insert it into the hole. Press and hold the internal reset button for a few seconds, then release it. After doing this, reconnect the controller to your Xbox or PC and check if it is working normally again. Thanks for watching.